So today my talk was basically on the results that we have from the use of shade netting in Washington State. Shade netting is a resilient innovation that is used by growers in Washington State to reduce fruit sunburn. Shade netting also has some other benefits, like it reduces the amount of stress that the tree is experiencing. So in terms of the fruit quality, the biggest difference that you see under shade netting is a reduction in sunburn incidence. Sunburn is a big problem for growers in Washington State, and I think it's also a big problem in South Africa here as well. So shade netting is a good innovation to reduce sunburn, because the other alternatives like evaporative cooling require lots of water, which is not readily available. Then in terms of the physiology, the shade netting is reducing the light stress that the tree is experiencing. So when you reduce that light stress, you have more photosynthesis, and those trees are more happier. So what we have discovered is actually the trees under the shade netting, they're able to fill in the canopy much more quicker. This can be exploited to sort of go into production earlier under the nets. And then when you look at the environment under net, you get a reduction in the light. But the most important thing as well is like you're sort of controlling the light spectrum that you have. So if you use photoselective netting, you can control the spectrum, for example, to give you more blue or red light. Those light spectrum are important for things like photosynthesis and stomatal conductance. So your shade netting is reducing the soil water loss, so you're getting better soil moisture control under the net. This is especially important, especially here in South Africa, where you might get some droughts. So to summarize, I think shade netting is a very good resilient innovation. Like as you can see from my talk, it should be one of the production practices that growers should use sort of to improve their production and to deal with the high temperatures that are going to occur under climate change in the future.